Exploring dental prosthesis. Your guide to restoring smiles. Dental prostheses are essential for individuals seeking to replace missing teeth, restore oral functionality, and enhance their smile. From simple solutions to advanced dental technology, understanding the various dental prosthesis types can help patients make informed decisions. In this article, we'll explore the types of dental prostheses, their applications, and how Fillmore Dental Group can assist in finding the best solution for your dental needs. What are dental prostheses? Dental prostheses are artificial devices designed to replace missing teeth and associated oral structures. These devices improve chewing, speech, and aesthetic appearance while preventing further dental issues such as misalignment or bone loss. Dental prostheses are typically custom-made to fit a patient's unique oral anatomy, ensuring both comfort and functionality. Why are dental prostheses important? Dental prostheses go beyond cosmetic improvement. They play a critical role in maintaining oral health by restoring functionality. Missing teeth can impair chewing and speech, which prostheses help restore. Preventing bone loss. Prosthetic devices stimulate the jawbone, reducing the risk of bone density loss. Improving aesthetics. Replacing missing teeth improves facial appearance and boosts self-confidence. Preventing misalignment. Filling gaps prevents surrounding teeth from shifting out of place. Advances in dental prosthetics. The field of dental prosthetics continues to evolve with advancements in technology. Modern innovations include 3D printing, enhances the precision and speed of prosthesis fabrication. Digital impressions, offers a more comfortable and accurate alternative to traditional molds. Material innovations, high-strength ceramics and composite materials provide improved durability and aesthetics. Minimally invasive procedures. Techniques like immediate load implants reduce treatment time. Why choose Fillmore Dental Group? At Fillmore Dental Group, we understand that choosing the right dental prosthesis can be a daunting process. Our experienced team provides personalized care, guiding patients through every step of the journey. From initial consultations to post-procedure support, we ensure your dental health and comfort remain our top priorities. With expertise in all dental prosthesis types, advanced technology, and a patient-centered approach, Fillmore Dental Group delivers exceptional care tailored to your unique needs. Contact Fillmore Dental Group today to explore your dental prosthesis options and take the first step toward restoring your smile with confidence.